2015 Forest River Cardinal 3850RL for sale in Yamhill, Oregon. 97148 2015 Forest River Cardinal, VIN 4X4FCAR29FG100961, AM/FM radio, AC, one owner, fresh water tank, outside shower, gray water tank, black water tank, sound system, full kitchen, microwave, Conv Microwave, non-smoking, awning, 3 slide outs, full body paint, stainless steel appliance package W full-sized refrigerator, Convection microwave, center island with deep stainless sinks, dishwasher, all-leather couch, deluxe leather theater seats, 45 main cabin TV, 32 bedroom TV, 32 exterior entertainment package, king-size deluxe pillow top mattress, dual pane windows, auto-level package. Please call 855-978-6455 for more information.